Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneur channel, and in this video I want to talk about how you can work on Amazon from home. Okay, now you're probably watching this video because you were searching it online and you're looking for ways to make money with Amazon from home. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few things that you can make money with Amazon. Yeah, so the first one is Kindles. Okay, so Amazon have a Kindle program, and basically what that is it's selling online digital books. You know, nowadays people read things on their smart devices instead of reading a physical book, and people are constantly downloading information such as Kindles, and they're reading books from their smartphone basically. And what you could do is you can basically create these Kindle books, publish it on Amazon Kindles, and make a passive income from it. So every time someone buys your Kindles, you get paid. Now, Kindles aren't very expensive, they're very cheap. So, you know, the amount you're making is probably about £3, £2 to £3 for each Kindle sale. But it's another way of passive income, you know. It depends, you know, if you're cranking your Kindles out and you've got like a whole bunch of Kindles you've got like 20-30 Kindle books, then that can actually make you money because, you know, it all adds up. But you need to also be promoting your Kindles as well, okay? Through advertising and stuff. That's how you're going to get some sales. That's how you're going to get traffic. And then eventually what happens is the Amazon site starts driving the traffic, and you start to get organic sales. Okay, that's later on when you build your Kindle book up and it gets more exposure. Eventually what Amazon will do is give you that organic traffic because now it's ranking. Okay, so if you've promoted your Kindle and you're getting all of these 5-star rankings and positive reviews, eventually what's going to happen is Amazon is going to favor you and probably rank your videos in a much higher ranking on Amazon. Okay, so the next one is Audible. Yeah, you can actually sell Amazon's products and make money as an affiliate. Okay, I've done that before. Basically what that is so anyone who signs up as a membership on Audible, for the membership on Audible, and even that can be a free trial. Okay, so when people, I think, I'm just thinking, you might get paid two commissions. Okay, so the first commission is just for the sign up. So even when someone signs up like for the free trial, that's for the free trial. That's not them paying for anything. You get a £5 commission, which is pretty cool. I've done that before, and you know, I've made a bit of money. Well, to be honest, I made one sale, okay? And I made one sale just testing it out on Instagram influencers. So I, you know, advertised. If you don't know about Instagram influencers, you can go back to my previous video and I touch upon how you can use Instagram influencers to promote and market a product or service or whatever. But basically what I did is I tested Amazon influencers and I tested promoting Amazon Audible, and yeah, I made a sale. So I guess it works to an extent. The next one is selling your own products on Amazon. So one, you could have your own product on Amazon, and you could be selling it, okay, like your own branded item. Or what you could do is you can buy from a wholesaler and get a bulk big quantity of items, ship it to the Amazon warehouse, and then they deal with all the shipping and all of the inventory and everything. Okay, so that's another way people make money with Amazon, and it's from home. Like literally, you know, this is all from home. Okay, so you're not going out there, you're not shipping, you're not doing any of, you know, managing the inventory, stocking it in your house or anything. Now the fifth one, is it fifth or fourth? Sorry, I don't know if it's the fourth point or the fifth point, but basically the last way that you can make money with, well, I'm sure there's other ways, but this is the ways that I'm speaking of in this video. So the other way is, what I used to do is I used to go into thrift stores, charity shops, and I used to buy an item for a low price and I used to sell it for a higher price. Now I will actually do a video. I did a video about it on eBay, how I made money on eBay doing that method. But there's actually another way to do it on Amazon. It's the same thing, but the research is slightly different, and I will do a video. I'll take you through a tutorial on how you can actually do that, how you can find a product on Amazon that like how you can go in a thrift store, how you can see if it's a profitable item to sell on Amazon. Okay, basically I haven't done a video on Amazon. I've done it for eBay but not for Amazon. Okay, so I will be doing that. But yeah, basically what that is, so you're going in a thrift store, you're buying an item for like £4 and you're selling it for like £30-40. Now you can make a good profit from this. I've done it, and trust me, I got some amazing returns. Okay, if you want to know more about that story, you can check out the video where I speak about that in I think it's where I talk about how things to sell on eBay or whatever. If you go back to that video, somewhere. But yeah, basically that is basically how you make money on Amazon. You can very much make a full-time income on Amazon. You can do it very much part-time and still make some good profit. There's another way that again I do a video on, and I've got my training series on YouTube. If you go to those videos, you'll be able to get that training series. Basically what that is it's selling Amazon products as an affiliate. Okay, so Amazon have an affiliate program. Okay, and when you sign up to that affiliate program, you get access to all of the products in Amazon, and you will be able to sell those products, because what they do is they give you an affiliate link, and anytime someone purchases from that link, you get a commission for it. Okay, so it's on your browser, people click that, it's your link, they pay for it, and then you get a small commission. Now the commissions are very small, however it can add up, especially if you've got multiple links everywhere, all around YouTube or all around Google. I actually explained to you an exact method of how to make money doing this Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, go back to, that's what I'm saying, if you go back to the video training that I did, I think I titled it how to make money with affiliate marketing using YouTube without making videos. And that's literally what it is. It's doing it, it's using YouTube marketing without actually being on camera, speaking to an audience, or having your voice on there. Okay, and I share with you a few tools and softwares of what you can use to do that. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. And if you want to get that training, head on to those videos and you'll be able to know how you can do Amazon affiliate marketing. It's a very, very interesting training, very cool content. So yeah, make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in more upcoming videos. Take care.